guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review the Himalayan shilajit from Kapiva. So this is a brand from Kapiva. So this comes 20 grams per bottle, so which is almost 130 servings per container. So you'll get 130 servings in this container, and this is they claim that this is Himalayan shilajit. Normally the shilajit comes with on Himalayas, Kashmir. So from there they source the shilajit. So they claim that it's a purified, unfiltered and sourced from Himalayan regions. So this is to help improve strength and power and stamina. So let's check more about this product. So if I just turn around, so this product is manufactured and packed in Kashmir. So we believe, okay, fine, if it's packed in Kashmir, then it's gonna be a pure shilajit. Not sure, we'll check later. And this is actually marketed by a company in Kolkata. So it's a Kapiva brand. So it's marketed by in Kolkata, from Kolkata. And this is how we use the shilajit. Okay, so if you see on the bottle, so it's written that you need to take just 150 mg, which is 1p size. For example, I'll show you. So this is 1p till here, 1p of shilajit. You can mix this with water or with milk. So if you're like gaining weight and you need stamina, I suggest to mix with milk before bed. So add a glass of water, warm water, milk, and stir for 5 seconds. Okay, so drink once shilajit is completely dissolved. So normally 80% of shilajit will get dissolved by itself when you leave it in the water. So we'll check that. We have the water bottle here, so we're gonna check that. And here comes, it's a brand from Kapiva, Himalayan shilajit. So let's open this bottle and check if it's really a shilajit. Okay, so this is how it looks. So if you see, it's like a tar type. So we never can judge by this whether if it's a pure shilajit or it's an adulterated shilajit. So even by testing we won't be able to know, because there are most of the chemicals which will show you that whatever test you do, it gets passed. So I never believe in test, but still I'm gonna show you the dissolve test in the water, which I've kept in front of the shilajit. And this shilajit, I've actually given the lab testing, so I might get it in few days, and I'm gonna make another video on this brand whether if this shilajit is true or it's adulterated. So I'm just waiting for that lab test. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe it, and I'm gonna show you the lab test after a few days. I'm gonna upload in the same channel. So let's check the dissolve on this shilajit. Do you see the stickiness? Should be same as this. So this is 1p, which company has claimed. So I'm gonna put this into the water. You see, slowly it start to dissolve. Let me focus. So do you see the color of the water? It's slightly getting changed. As I normally understand, it should be little more faster, but we never know that if it's is adulterated or not. But I'm gonna make another video once I get the lab report of the shilajit. So make sure that if you're waiting drastically, you're gonna comment that you need lab report of the shilajit. I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna upload it as soon as possible. So don't forget to comment if you need the lab report of this shilajit product. So It's actually dissolving little slow, not so fast I expected, but so let me mix. They said stir well, so I don't know why we need to see. Do you see the stickiness? I'm not sure if this is adulterated or not unless I confirm, because I never believe in this home remedies testing. I normally believe the lab report. So I've paid almost 500 rupees for the lab technician to test this shilajit if there is any adulteration in this. And as I see, do you see, it is getting dissolved slowly. Feels like original, feels like not original, but unless we get the lab report, we can't judge any of the product. This might be 100% original, but you have to wait for the video. And let me stir well. If you see, if I stir well, I see some pieces down. So company advise us to stir well, but I don't know why. Because normally it should get dissolved by itself without stirring, but still I'm stirring as company told us. But you see a little bit of so I'm gonna taste this as well. Let's see what kind of taste it is, because I've tested many of the other shilajit and I haven't made a video on it, but sure I'll be making a video with the lab report. So let me taste this. Okay, I'm gonna keep this aside. See, still we have that shilajit on. I don't know why it's not getting dissolved. Hope it's not adulterated. So I'm gonna taste this. Let me check. So guys, this is it. So I'm gonna upload the taste comes as little bit of like a milk coffee, and I'm gonna upload another video with lab report of this shilajit. So make sure you subscribe this channel so that you don't miss the other video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. So this is how the water looks like. Still, do you see there's a tiny shilajit left, and even in this spoon. That's fine. Let's check the lab report and we'll come in to decide that whether if we need to buy this product or not. See you. Take care. See you on the other product review. Have a great day. Bye.